Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Huawei AX3000 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the Huawei AX3000 extender into a power socket. Place it near your main router for the first setup. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED turns solid. Now find the WPS button on your main router. The WPS button is located in front, back, or side panel of the router. Press the WPS button on your main router. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS light will start blinking. You now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. The extender's LED will start blinking, showing it is connecting. Wait 1 to 3 minutes. During this time, the extender is copying Wi-Fi settings from the router. When connected successfully, the Wi-Fi/WPS LED becomes solid and the blinking stops. This means the extender is now connected to your main Wi-Fi. WPS setup completed. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.